yesterday, and I was like. She made me a new lunch.
Are you shitting me? So what'd you do out there? Nothing but the morning. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but I let you know, forget this. A couple years ago, this guy Nick came to me and asked me to look out for why he did business. Special came mostly, but other stuff too. Taking us to boys, no problem. This week, I said, Jackie, you pick up the envelope. Boy, the fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Barton is gonna get this. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No， 唔好要我講第二次啊！
你條粉腸，你乜春啊？
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎！我食鹽咪多過你食米啦！我知我係啱嘅，你有屎忽諗嘢㗎！
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語氣同我講嘢啊！你死埋！你中唔中意啊？你啲廢話邊人聽啊
Why don't you? Hey, big man.
Hey, buddy. 來啦，嗨啦 ，come check it
You
out.
want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you?
Right.
Cheap noodles.
You like
noodles.
Hi啦
I got
come
good
check it out.
noodles.
Hey, need clothes? Need a food?
Oh, okay.
Hey,
Hey, veggies. You want veggies?
I don't need a gun.
Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Why don't you let me dress you?
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you. Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you！
我而家真係冇乜。
What is this?
Live with yourself.
Get out of the fucking way, moron! Out of my way!
Right.
Out of my way!
Coming through!
Oh, fuck!
Oh, shit!
我一啲都唔中意噃。
你有冇？唔買你咪盞後悔。我覺得呢度咩款都有啊。喂，大家醒。
啊！你冇嘢啊？
Guys, I need your help! Kill him! He needs to be killed!
耐㗎啦！你咁喐我一條毛，我保證你即刻冇命！
Fucking bitch!
知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？專踢屎忽鬼㗎！ 我話你知啊！
我覺得你搞錯咗啊！
你係咪想死啊？我等我呢日好耐㗎啦！
Let him do it to you! Kill him!
你唔係諗住你搞得掂啊？
嗱，俾我，放咗我。Leave me alone, you fuck!
guys! Take him out! 屌你老母臭閪！Fuck you up!
You fucking with the wrong crowd！
哎呀，點啊？唔好彩啦，今日冇人行啦。
我一向都唔講，嚇死我！講手，
你死撚爛啊！嚟啦，瞄準！
都冇對路。睇我爆唔爆你光？人出嚟行，下次擘大隻屎眼認下人先啦。
你都冇位啊！準備俾人整鳩死啊！
你冇機會啊！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？打撚爆你個頭啊！你老味啊！屎忽鬼！哇 ！Kill him! Can somebody fucking kill him, please? 哇！屌啊！哇！嚇撚死我啊！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？哇 ！I'm gonna kill you！ 殺你個仆街！
Dog guy's gonna kill you! Fuck dog guy! Winston knows this. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it. Okay, okay. But please, make sure dog guy doesn't kill me.
差人，咪走啊！咪喐，放低。
Hey, hey, watch it.
Wei Shen, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun on Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concerns really move me. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then we'll Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun on Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with no connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
For
our
God's
policy.
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendu, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again. Sir, I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
What? How much? No!
Rosa told me that the things between Winston.
Always the same. A big feud. One kills the other. Then a new feud starts.
They're both real, so maybe we'll stop having to pay protection money.
Cut off a worm's head and another one.
Hiya. Hi, Mayor.
A man who never eats pork buns is never a whole man. You look like you could use a pork bun.
I'll take some, thanks.
Thanks, Wei. Enjoy.
It's all about money.
嗰度個着勁啊，高音。
依家學琴點算係課外活動？ I've been shopping all 真係。轉轉運先，買張六合彩先。真係。
We don't get the respect we deserve, sir. They want the drugs, but how would they get this drugs?
真係冇天理啊！
你話俾就俾，咁我咪好冇面？呢個好大鑊啊！快啲派人嚟啦！睇住架車啊！咁揸車嘛，車手睇住喺度交牌。
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took the shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yi, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pull up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level London looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think of Jill May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie. What's all the crap in the back?
The haul from my last score, baby.
Haul? What haul?
Tires, CRT monitors, a whole bunch of stuff.
Who the hell steals CRT monitors?
It's gotta be. Put on this mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running. Come and get me!
我話你知咩叫白扯黑啊！俾唔你啊死橙！
睇你點走？依家開片啊，企喺度都冇咁。仆街死撚
佢哋實縮㗎，睇住！我打撚爆佢！
笠架身劈鳩佢啦！仆街死撚緊啊！你一定會後悔！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？哇！嚇撚死我啊！你再嘈我打鳩死你啊！你睇住嚟啊！你傷到我啊！
哇！
喂，屌鳩佢！我打極都唔死啊！呢條撚樣好嘢啊
There's more of them！
懟冧佢，俾佢見識下我哋啲嘢，睇下點啊！夠膽過嚟啊！耶！仆街死撚緊啊！唔見，俾佢見識下我哋啲嘢。耶！夠膽過嚟啊！How you like that？ 睇住嚟啊！驚乜撚嘢啊？眼都插撚盲你啊！揼親佢啦！屌你老味，斬佢啊！仆街！
要斑馬走廊打電話啦，唔係等陣冇手撳啊！
Wait, you are hardcore. You beat those guys like it was nothing. The watches should be in the warehouse, man. Go, 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 man!
Whoa! 睇路啊！咁都叫揸車啊 ！Oh shit！ 咁都叫揸車啊！ Whoa! 睇咗你點揸車㗎？ Oh shit! We did it, man! We did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
Let's go, Jackie. Hurry it up.
Wait! We got him!
Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it!
Check it out! It's raining Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, these are fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive! Wait, drive! Whoa!
Stop what you are doing and give yourself up. 哇，咁近啊！
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. Those cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, poke guy. But he has friends in high places.
He's a piece of shit.
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. So no,
Alright, your deal.
Hey, Wei! You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Great, finally hit the big time.
Hey! Hey!
Heavy gunfire reported. All PTU, please respond.
PTU on the way.
Thank God you're here! Nobody back down! Come on! You haven't gotten me yet! You never will! 喐佢啦！
屌佢老母！喂，你去搞掂佢。
Hey, say stop! There's nowhere to run.
嚟啦，牙籤仔
Keep moving. Get out of here.
All right, keep walking.
即刻
同我懟冧佢哋。
We are always watching. Hey, punk.
We bring you in if you don't move 啊！走啊！走。
臭閪
I got my eye on you. Huh?
Hey, punk. I got my.
我覺得你搞錯咗咯。
哼！呢條殘老母食甜筒啊你！
Police! Hands on your head! Got my eye on you. Hey, punk! I got my eye on you.
走啊！走。
Do not resist.
Away with that here.
That was not what I expected starting my patrol. Thanks for your help.
You're right about that.
最好嘅旅行社㗎，即係聲色犬馬東南亞。
I know what you mean.
You drive like an idiot. What's the hold up? Move it. Nobody push.
喂，你點揸車啊？
我忍，直頭整咗佢。Come on, I've got band practice to get.
唉，是但啦。你揸係定 shot 嘅。
You have a car in here? What, can I help you?
That creep Dirty Ming sold me a jacket and said it was from Cheng and Sui. He lied to me.
I will get your
That Jackie
money
Ma
back.
is a real pest.
I
He
already
came
tried to Winston Chu yesterday.
Nasty. He would never do such a thing. He's a sweet boy.
Why do you think everybody is a good person except for my boyfriend?
I don't have to answer that.